Karno Kochari is one of the Armenian folk dances recognized by UNESCO as a valuable heritage for whole humanity. There are many varieties of Armenian Kocharis, but this one is called Karno Kochari because of its region Karin, where the dance originated from. The part of the name Koch in Kochari has a meaning of ram, and so the dance represents the fight between two rams. Hand position in this dance resembles handshaking. In the dance line, you should stand next to each other as tightly as possible, with your arms put backwards. The like movements are following. It is called 2 times go and 2 times come. As you can notice, on the last step before coming back, you should put your left leg on tiptoes. And when you are back to the start position, the same does the right leg. During the whole dance, we use springs in our knees. Pay attention to this detail. Small springs on each step of 2 steps of going and coming. For the second part of the movement, we put the right leg to front. We lean the weight of our body to the right leg and we do 1 big and 2 small springs. Then bring the weight back to the left leg and again do 1 big and 2 small springs, making sure to keep your body in a straight position. There is an also improvised part in Karno Kochari. We repeat the same combination of dance steps up to the last step, and instead of the standard last springs, the right leg hits the floor meanwhile the left one lifts. At the next count, the left hits the floor while the right leg raises on the tiptoes, and that's it. We have 3 different speeds. The music will help you to feel the tempo. When the second speed starts, you do the same movements with small hops on your feet. And for the third part, the jumps are more stronger and more clearly visible. It is important to note that after this improvised movement, you should pause for about 2 seconds while the music goes on. And after this pause, you should do 1 go to the right instead of the standard 2 times. Then continue as usual. You can watch the video of rams fighting, so you will get the idea behind the movements of the dance. Now some words about inclusive elements in this dance. As I mentioned previously, everyone should dance as close as possible. This shows that all people have connection with each other, and the energy of one person conveys to others as a consequent chain. Moreover, right hand always is below the other's left hand, and the left hand is always above the other's right hand. This symbolizes equality between everyone. Enjoy the dance and the music, and of course feel free to join us to dance.